Welcome to the new Reflection 150 series from Grand Design. With dry weights starting under 7,000 pounds and 90-degree turning radius capabilities, this fifth wheel is half-ton towable redefined. Many half-ton trucks have a towing capacity ranging from 6,000 to 12,000 pounds. This is the amount of weight your truck is rated to tow. The competition's fifth wheels, touted as half-ton towable, often have dry weights starting at 8,000 pounds or more. This leaves you with limited half-ton towing capacity. The Reflection 150 series dry weights start under 7,000 pounds. Over 1,000 pounds lighter than many of the competitors, this revolutionary new fifth wheel is towable by more everyday half-ton trucks. Another key metric for your truck is payload capacity. Most half-ton trucks offer a payload capacity ranging from 1,500 to 2,500 pounds. This is the amount of weight the truck can carry. Hitch weight of the competition's fifth wheels can take up to 1,450 pounds of the available payload capacity, leaving you with limited payload for your passengers and cargo. Reflection 150 series hitch weights start under 1,200 pounds. Up to 250 pounds lighter than many of the competitors, there is more available payload capacity and a broader range of half-ton trucks capable of towing this fifth wheel. The Reflection 150 not only comfortably fits the capacities of many everyday half-ton trucks, it is also short bed friendly. Featuring the innovative turning point swivel pin box, the Reflection 150 series has the ability to turn 90 degrees with a 5.5-foot box. And there's no slider hitch needed. A traditional pin box pivots the coach over the center of the hitch. The turning point swiveling pin box moves the pivot point 22 inches rearward. The forward pivot point of a traditional pin box leaves minimal turning clearance that can lead to costly damage to the cab of your truck and the fifth wheel. The turning point swiveling pin box moves the pivot point 22 inches rearward, allowing for a turning radius of 90 degrees. The Reflection 150 series delivers maximum living without maxing out your truck. The towability, spacious interior, and luxury features of the Reflection 150 series are redefining what it means to be half-ton towable.